Hello everyone, I am Lalita, Assistant Professor of Dr. SNS Rajalakshmi College of Arts and Science, Department of Computer Applications. In this video, we are discussing about basic concept of array in C programming. In this video, we are discussing about basic concept of array in C programming. Let's discuss what is an array. What is an array? Array is a collections of similar elements stored under the single name. Uh, Collections of similar data elements. That means int, float, characters. Likewise, we can make a many numbers of variables we can store in under the single name. It is called as an array. Array features are elements accessed using an index variable. Index size. The index should start from 0. Simplifies and handling the multiple values of the same data types. Array can handle multiple values in the same data type. For example, int a, b, c, d use case. For in this example, we can declare 4 variable. It will be separate the places in 4 kinds of storage space. But when we are using the array element int num array bracket 5, we can store 5 values under the one name is called as a num. Array enable the efficient data management. Array is a collections of similar data elements stored in under the single name. Declaring and initializing array. How the array can initialize in C programming. Syntax. Data type, array name, array size. Data type is like a int, float, characters, double, whatever we can use, we can declare the data types. Array name is like a variable name. The user can define the name what they needed. Size, we can declare the size, how many members, how many values we can store in the single array. That is called as the declaring. Initiation options. Initiation option is full int mark array bracket 5. We can declare the 5 values here itself. We can declare 5 values here itself. It is their full initializing array. Partial initiating array is we can declare 2 values, then others is mentioned as a 0. Auto size int max, we can declare 3 size. Memory elements are stored array. Array and loops. Use case. Array offer can proceed using loops. For loop, while loop likewise. Example, sum of elements array mark is equal to 5. We can declare the 5 elements, 5 values in the one single recurring array variables. From this example, int sum is equal to 0. We can use for loop statement. It is the int 1 is equal to 0, I less than 5 is equal to I plus plus. The some values are declared the 5 times for using the for loop statements. Benefits of using for loop statements. It is loops simplifies the input and output manipulations. It looks the array operations is very efficient. Array operations is very efficient. Array is the stored data management stores. Array, it is the array element how it stored the variable. 2, 4, 8, 12, 16, 18. These are the array value. The index values from 0, 1, 2, 3 likewise. The array should index the elements from 0 values. 0 size. Array allocations. Array bracket 5. Size of array is equal to 5. It will be allocate 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 elements in the single array elements. Accessing array elements. Array name index range. Example array we can mention here the 5 elements 90, 85, 82, 82 the way is 87. This the values are stored in the mark array name. We can provide the printf statement from 1 by 1. The same data types, same data types. Key points and advantages of array. Advantage: store multiple values under the single name. Fast access due to the continuous memory. And in array statement, we can store the multiple values under the single name, and also fast access due to continuous memory, so the data will deduct easily. Ideal for sorting, searching, and other operations. Limitations of fixed size, which cannot change at runtime. Its drawbacks are fixed size element. For example, when we are mentioned the 5, during our runtime we could not include the other size of data. Thank you.